For K-12 organizations today, protecting critical systems and student and staff data is more challenging than ever. Threats are becoming more sophisticated, and outdated infrastructure puts critical systems at risk. In a rapidly changing landscape, it can be tough for K-12 IT teams to know where to start. Here are 3 ways CDW can help. We start by helping schools spot and fix vulnerabilities faster with targeted assessments designed specifically for K-12 environments. Then we turn staff into the first line of defense by rolling out training programs that build awareness and help prevent breaches. And we help technology leaders build internal support with leadership for protection of student data, staff trust, and the school's reputation. With more than 500 security professionals, many with K-12 technology backgrounds, we'll help you find the next best steps that build a strong security culture. Amazing happens when the right cybersecurity solutions enable focused learning.